Hello my dear friends, how are you? I hope you are at best. Welcome to my channel. My topic today about which I give you information about what is third rail. I am completely fine you about it, but first of all, if you are new, also please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so I start my topic about third rail. A third rail, also known as a live rail, electric rail or conductor rail, is a method of providing electric power to a railway, locomotive or train through a semiconductor rigid conductor placed alongside or between the rails of a railway track. It is used typically in a mass transit or rapid transit system which has alignments in its own corridors fully or almost fully segregated from the outside environment. Third rail systems are usually supplied from direct current electricity. Modern tram systems with the street running avoid the risk of electrocution by the exposed electric rail by the implementing a segmented ground level power supply where each segment in electric field only while covered by a vehicle which is using its power. The third rail system of electrification is not related to the third rail used in dual gauge and railways and its description. Third rail systems are the means of providing electric traction power of trains using an additional rail called a conductor rail. And for the purpose on most systems, the conductor rail is placed on the sleeper and outside the running rails, but in some systems a central conductor rail is used. The conductor rail is supported on ceramic insulator known as ports at top contact or insulated brackets at bottom contact, typically at intervals of around 10 feet 3 inch. The trains have metal contact blocks called collector shoes, also known as contact shoes or pickup shoes, which make contact with the conductor rail. The transaction current is returned to the generating station through the running rails. In North America, the conductor rail is usually made of high conductivity steel or steel bolted to aluminum to increase the conductivity. Elsewhere in the world, extruded aluminum conductor with stainless steel contact surface or cap is a preferred technology due to its lower electrical resistance, longer life and lighter weight, and the running rails are electrically connected using wire bonds or other devices to minimize resistance in the electric current. Contact shoes can be positioned below and above or beside the third rail depending on the type of third rail used. These third rails are referred to as bottom contact or top contact or side contact respectively. The conductor rails have the interrupted at level crossings, crossovers and substations. Gaps and tapered rails are provided at the ends of each section to allow a smooth engagement of the train's contact shoes, and the position of contact between the train and the rail varies. Some of the earlier systems used top contact, but later developments use side or bottom contact, which enable the conductor rail to be covered, protecting track workers from accidental contact and protecting the conductor rail from frost, ice, snow and leaf fall. And its gallery is third rail layout are covered board, power rail, insulated sleeper and rail. And number 2 is Ballorion Station, Toronto Subway, and energized in at 600 watts DC. The third rail provides electrical power to the powertrain and ancillaries of the subway cars. Number 3 is Paris Metro. The guarding rails of the rubber-tired lines also function as current conductor. The horizontal contact shoe is between the pair of rubber wheels. And advantage and disadvantage and is safety. Because third rail systems which are located close to the ground present electric shock hazards, high voltage above 1500 V are not considered safe. Very high currents must therefore be used to transfer adequate power to the train, resulting in high resistive losses and requiring relatively close space points and electrical substations. The electrified rail threatens electrocution of anyone wandering or falling into the track The risk of fire can be avoided by using platform screen doors, or the risk can be reduced by placing the conductor rail can be side of the track away from the platform when allowed by the station layout, or by covering the conductor rail with the covered board. A plank supported by brackets. Covered boards often cannot be used because they reduce the structure gauge near the top of rail and thereby also the loading gauge. Therefore, this is also a risk of pedestrians walking onto the tracks at level crossing and accidentally touching the third rail unless grade separation is fully implemented. In the United States, a 1992 Supreme Court of Illinois decision affirmed a $1.5 million verdict against the Chicago Transit Authority for failing to stop an intoxicated person from walking onto the tracks at the level crossing at the Kersey station in an apparent attempt to urinate, and the end ramps of conductor rails where they are interrupted or change sides present a practical limitation on speed due to the mechanical impact of shoe at 161 km per hour, 100 mph. Is considered at upper limit of practical third rail operation. The world speed record for the third rail train is 175 km/h, 109 mph, attained on 11 April 1988 by a British class 442 EMU. In the event of a collision with a foreign object, the beveled end ramps of bottom running system can facilitate the hazard of having the third rail penetrate the interior of a passenger car. This is believed to have contributed to the death of 5 passengers in the Valhalla train crash of 2015. And modern systems such as the ground level power supply first used in the tramway of Bordeaux in 2003 avoid the safety problem by segmenting the powered rail, with each segment being powered only when fully covered by the vehicle which utilizes its power. And in weather effects, third rail systems using top contact are prone to accumulations of snow or ice formed from defrozen snow, and this can interrupt operations. Some systems operate dedicated de-icing trains to deposit an oily fluid or antifreeze such as propylene glycol on the conductor rail to prevent the frozen buildup, and the third rail can also be heated to alleviate the problem of ice. And unlike overhead line equipment, third rail systems are not susceptible to strong winds or freezing rain, which can bring down overhead wires and hence disable all trains. Thunderstorms can also disable the power, with lightning strikes on systems with overhead wires disabling trains if there is a power surge or a break in the wires. So my dear friends, how is my topic today about third rail. I hope you like it and take good knowledge. So now I'm going to my new topic. Take care and Allah Hafiz.
ਉਹਨੇ ਭਾਈ ਉਹਨੇ ਕਦਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ
ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੇ ਖਾਲਾ ਦੀ
ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਮਾਂ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਨਾ
ਮਾਂ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਤੇ ਬਚਪਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੀ
ਬਚਪਨ ਚ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ ਦੇਤਾ
ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਵੱਡੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ
ਆਹ ਉਹ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ
ਅੱਛਾ
ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉਹ ਗਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਹੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਨਾ ਬੜਾ ਨਾ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਪਾਲਿਆ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਬੜੇ ਚਾਅ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ
ਇੱਕ ਹੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲਾ ਦੇ
ਯਾਨੀ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਹਾਂ,
ਲੇਕਿਨ ਫੇਰ
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ
ਵੀ
ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਫੇਰ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਉਹਦੀ
ਇਹ ਇੰਨੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਿ ਪਰਵਰਿਸ਼ ਵਗੈਰਾ
ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਪੜਾਇਆ 14 ਜਮਾਤਾਂ ਕਰਾਈਆਂ ਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਮ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਐ ਘਰ ਪੈਸੇ ਖੁੱਲੇ ਦੇਣੇ ਲੈ ਵੀ ਖਾ ਜੋ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਕਰ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉਹਨੇ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਸਿਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਤੇ ਦੋ ਹੀ ਫੋਟ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਹੈ ਨਾ